How are they?
Hey,
Great
Matthew.
to see you, as
Great
always.
to see you again here in Las Vegas.
This looks incredible, what you've done today. So tell us all about being at CES 2025 and what you guys have got in store for the next year ahead.
It's amazing, Matthew. CES is always a great opportunity to show innovation. As you know, we have been presenting the first time the product last year. We have been working in the last 12 months to further improve the product on the software side, on the app side. And so we are very close to launch now. So very happy to show our innovation to the world.
And what is that innovation?
Well, it's Nuance Audio. Nuance Audio. This is a normal pair of glasses which is integrating an invisible hearing aids in the temple. These are the glasses. So
Which look just like a normal pair of glasses.
a normal pair of glasses, 40 grams. And the only difference is that in this small and teeny temple, you have an hearing aids, which is incredible.
Wow.
Actually, you know that you know better than me that there are millions of people in the world with mild to moderate hearing loss, which are not really approaching the traditional hearing aids for a number of reasons. And the reasons are stigma, which is probably the most important one. Second is comfort, because it's not really comfortable to have something into your ear canal 12, 14 hours per day. And the third is affordability. You know, the price of traditional hearing aids is not really affordable.
Yeah.
With this, we are gonna break down all those barriers. Completely invisible. It's the first time ever we have something completely open ear. And third, the price positioning is gonna be in the range of 1.4 compared to traditional hearing aids price position.
So about a quarter of the price.
Yeah.
So roughly what will that equate
It's
to?
gonna be in US around $1,090.
Okay.
It's gonna come with the plano lenses, transition, meaning photochromatic lenses. Then you can mount any kind of prescription lenses.
Okay. And how will that work then as far as the prescription? Where will people be able to buy these? Will it be in opticians? Will there be in audiology practices? Will it be online?
It's gonna be in, since the beginning, we have been talking about the open network model. So in US, we are gonna distribute this product in our retail network, like LensCrafter, Target Optical, Pervision.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can find in any kind of ECP and our partner, so optical channel, and then also in audiological channel. So it's open network model, and every consumer can choose where to buy and where to find this product. Will choose. It's not yet on the market.
And so if there are any audiologists out there at the moment watching this video and they would like to be involved in the distribution of these Nuance glasses, is it something that they'll be able to do as well?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. We have a team here, a commercial team in US, which is looking forward actually and looking after both optical channel but also the audiological channel. We are about to start and connect with all the audiological industry but also the independent players to get them on board.
Fantastic. And you mentioned the US a lot. What about the rest of the world? Will they have access to this incredible technology?
Yeah, sure. Actually, we have a great news because just before Christmas we got the CE mark for European, so we have the certification as CE, and now we are in the phase to deep dive the last mile with each country. But basically, hopefully by H1 next year we are gonna be in the top 5 European countries.
Wow.
And then we are gonna roll out in the rest of the world.
Which countries are those top 5 European countries?
Italy, France, Germany, UK, Spain.
Tested you there.
Yeah.
Sorry, put you on
I
the
still
spot.
know the geography. Okay, good.
Another question, who are they suitable for?
Well, this is for people with perceived mild to moderate hearing loss. So
Okay.
you know that there are certain situations, like this one, by the way, where there are probably 70, 80 dB of noisy on the background.
It's loud in here as well. We've got
It's
these
loud, yeah.
microphones, which makes life a lot easier, but
Yeah.
it is noisy in this place.
It's noisy. And this is the perfect context. So for people with perceived mild to moderate hearing loss, which are struggling to follow conversation in a noisy environment. It may be a noisy restaurant, it may be a business conference or trade show like this one. In this context, we are struggling. Most of case, you are not really wearing a traditional hearing aids. You want something simple to put on,
Yeah.
which is also improving your speech and noise understanding. And so this is our main target. People from 50 plus. As you know, as for the vision, there is a natural degenerative process of the vision. Is the same for hearing. So people after 50 can start to have some small loss of hearing, and so from 50 plus, this is our target.
How do they work? So obviously they're not just designed to look good and to look discreet, which we've covered already, but there's nothing that actually goes into the ears on these things. So how do they actually direct sound down your ear canal?
Actually, The product has 6 microphones, which are spread in the front and in the temple. Okay. Then you have 2 speakers in the bottom here, which are delivering the sound directly into your ears. And then there is the software inside, which is doing the job. So it's capturing the sound around, is cleaning the sound, and is going to amplify only in the direction that you are looking at. So it's a beamforming technology.
Fantastic.
Okay? Then you still have the option through the app to control the product. So if you open the app, basically you have all the chance to control the product, increase, decrease volume, switch on and switch off, and then change different level of preset. The preset are kind of different compensation curve according to the kind of hearing loss you have. So some preset are amplify more the lower frequency, some other the high frequency. And then the last feature is that you can still choose the audio mode, whether it being a frontal amplification or all-around amplification. There are certain circumstances where you need the 360-degree amplification. For example, you are driving a car, there is someone seated on your back, on your right, you want amplification 360.
Of course, yeah. Okay. What about battery life on them?
Well, it's hard to answer because it really depends on how you are gonna use the product. If you expose the product always on in a very noisy environment like this one, probably is gonna be around 7-8 hours. If you use more in a mixed context, it's gonna be probably more 10 hours, 11 hours.
Which is pretty good if I think about some of the OTC hearing aids out there, which are Apple AirPods, for example, 4, 5, 6 hours depending on use.
Yeah.
So if you can get a full day of use out of these, then that would be great. That'd be brilliant.
We are working on it. And this is just the first generation, actually, So it's the first kind of, but this is going to be an innovation platform.
Yeah.
So more is going to come, more style, more color, more future. So for us, it's just the starting point.
And you've got them available in a few different styles as well, I see.
Yeah, actually, yes. So we have actually 2 main styles. One is more rounded, which is this one. And then you have one which is more square. And then you have 3 different calibers, so 56, 54, and 48, and 2 main colors, red, burgundy, and black. And this is just to start. So more to come.
Thank you for your time today.
Thank you, Matthew.
We'll see you again. Pleasure. And I look forward to being able to give these to my patients.
Sure, very soon.
Cheers, man.
Hopefully.
Thank you.
Thank you.